Hello guys, it's Sandra from Inspired Keys, and today I have Simon with me. Now Simon's been on our Inspired Keys Academy member call before, but I'm actually speaking to him a second time now. And what's incredible is that Simon's from Norway and he woke up at 5:30 a.m. for this call. So I really want to honor Simon and hugely welcome Simon. Woohoo! Hi Simon!
Hello guys.
Hello. So is there anything I can help you with in your worship keys playing? I know you sent me a Here I Am to Worship chord recording, and I would love to give you some feedback on that. Do you want me to start with that first or something else?
We can start with the church. I sent you, and
Yes.
here I am to worship.
Okay. So let's start with that, okay? Now I think you are in the key of D. Like I remembered you are playing something like... Okay, so that sounds like it's in the key of D for me. The chords were D, A, and E minor. So the main problem, I love how your chords sounded. I love how pretty much you can hear it's a clear chord D, a clear chord A, a clear chord E minor, and all the chords that you played after that. I know exactly what chords they are. It's really nice and clear. The only problem would be the timing. Some of the chords were a little bit too short, some are a bit long. So Simon, when we play, we gotta have in our head like a steady beat, and you gotta count 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So then when you play the 3 chords, so it should go like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, do you know if you can try and do that? Do you have your piano in front of you?
I have a piano in front of me, yes.
Super, super. Do you think you can try that?
I can try that, yes.
D for 2 counts?
Yeah.
Yep.
You want me to do? Okay.
2, 3, 4. 4. Thank you. Now for the chords that you are using, do you see D, A, E minor, D, A, E minor? Or is the very last one a G?
It is on the left hand. It's D and A, and on the right D and A and F. F sharp.
F sharp. Yeah, that's really good. But I'm asking about the chord because I remember the chord being D, A, E minor, and then D, A, G.
Yeah.
Yeah, is that a G in the last one, or is it an E minor?
Wait a second. I can turn the camera.
Yes, please, because then I can see what the chords are that you're looking at.
Oh, what's happening here?
Okay, I can't see you now. I'm sure you're like changing your camera or something.
I tried to change the camera to turn the camera, but how in the world?
Maybe you can use the front camera to show me the chords. Like just take your phone and just show it to me from the front. Yes, yes,
Like this?
I can see your keys, yes. Yep. Yep, it sounds like it's very, very low octave now. Can you make your octave higher?
Can you say it again? I can't hear you clearly.
Yep, your octave sounds very low. It's like really, really deep. Do you think you can make it higher? Like Yeah, that's right. The next octave up.
A, D, F.
Okay, yep, that sounds good. Okay. 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 You are using your left hand to play what your right hand will play. Is that correct?
Yeah, I use the left hand on on
One octave
the
higher.
octave 3, like.
Yeah, that's right, that's right. Okay. Okay, so Simon, thank you so much. You know what? You can turn the camera back because I don't want you to play with one hand. It really doesn't help anything. So put the camera back like just now. And then can you show me how you do just 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then straight away, don't be late. Go straight into the next 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. You gotta go straight in, so don't be late, okay? Your job is that when you're playing one chord, you're already thinking what's the next chord and to arrive on time.
Okay.
Yeah, let's try that.
Okay, let me see. Without pushing the pedal. Is that correct?
Say that again.
Without pushing down the
Sustain pedal?
sustain pedal.
I think yes. Don't play the sustain pedal. So just 1, 2, and then you can have a little bit of space. It's okay. Okay, so just from listening to that, your E minor came in like a little bit late. It's because you kind of need to play and then you need to take some time to get there. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay, okay. You gotta practice so that you can get to chords on time. So this is how I play. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So I'm like exactly, I know where to go. You need to practice going to the chords quickly and accurately. Can you try that?
I can try that.
Yeah, give that a try.
Oops.
It's okay, yeah. So when we practice that, you might like fall on the wrong chord. Just correct yourself and tell yourself, okay, you gotta get there on time and correct on time and correct.
Okay.
Yeah, you know, it sounds to me that the D is okay, the A is okay, the E minor is the problem. So you gotta practice from A into E minor. A into E minor. So 1, A, E minor. A, E minor. So you gotta think of how you can move quite quickly with your hands.
Okay.
Nice. Oh, wow, Simon, you did it, okay? You did a great job. Your E minor sounded exactly on time. The only problem is that now the E minor is too early. So you want to make sure you don't show up late, you don't show up early, you got to be exactly on time. Okay, so with that, Simon, can you please do this for me? Can you please clap like steady beats like this? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you do that?
I can do that.
Yes, just clapping. Just clapping. Yes. Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Awesome. Okay, now that is exactly correct. Now in our heads, we need to have that kind of a steady beat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now for those 3 chords, play them on the ones. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you try that? It has to be exactly on the ones, not on the 2s or the 3s or the 4s.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, give that a try.
Oops.
It's okay. Yeah, you gotta plan, and then you gotta think of the 1, 2. Once you start, the beat goes, so you cannot stop.
Okay. Try to remember the position.
Exactly. It's okay. The more you play it, the more easy it becomes. Okay, now can I hear you say the 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4? So do it like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try that. Say and play.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Awesome.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Simon! You did it, okay? Now all you gotta do is to say the 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 in here in your head, and then you don't have to say it out loud, and then you'll be great like this. Like sometimes it's easy to forget. So what I like to do is I nod my head, okay? Now I look a bit silly, but if I have the whole band with me, at least they all know which beat I'm on. So something like. Do you think you can try that? Now, don't say the numbers out, have it in your head, but I need to hear that it's still on the correct beat.
Okay.
You did it! Woo-hoo! So Simon, you know that's great because what you just did is, if I was next to you, I could have sung Light of the world, you step down into darkness, open my eyes, let me see, and it would be exactly on the correct beat, okay? Now, it's very hard for me to sing and for you to play because I'm not sure if there's a time lag on Skype. Because we are doing a video call on the internet, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be like half a beat early or half a beat late. So I can't really sing with you unless you want to try and do the singing and the playing, which is very difficult. I mean, it's not that everyone can do Light of the world, you step down, because it's really quite difficult. You have to think about the rhythm of the song, and then you have to think about the 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you have someone to sing for you, that would be great.
Yeah.
Very good. So you know what? Now that you got that, I'm wondering if you can get access to like a chord sheet that tells you exactly when to change. Because what you need now is not just like the normal, just with the words. You need the ones with the bars, so you know exactly how many counts to play each chord. Because I think I listened to your bridge, and it was like, I'll never know how much it costs to see my sin upon that cross. Now your chords are correct. Again, it is on 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's exactly the same thing. Try and practice it on, play the chords on the 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 for the bridge.
I understand.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand. It's like a paper, and it says like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Under the, for example, under the D, there is what should I call it?
Slash.
Slash, like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Perfect. Yeah, that's the kind of chord that tells you how long to play the chords. Okay, chord sheet. So well done. That is correct. So for the rest of the song, the chords are a little bit longer. So we worked on the verse, and then if you think about the chorus, here I am to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, walk. So for the chorus, here I am to worship, here I am to bow down, the chords last for 4 counts. Okay, so it's play 2, 3, 4, play 2, 3, 4, play 2, 3, 4, play 2, 3, 4. But then when it's the bridge, it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, I understand.
Great, great. Simon, would you like to maybe practice that and then send me or send to the Facebook group a recording of the whole song if you can? Or maybe even just the verse, or even just the verse and the chorus. What do you think?
I can do that.
Yes.
I can record it. Do you mean like record it from my phone, like camera, and send it to an email or
Okay,
something?
so you know how you recorded just the audio and then you sent it to my email? That's exactly what you can do. I don't need to see the video, because I know that takes up a lot more space and it's more, it takes a long time to upload. So just the audio, like using your voice recorder in your phone, that should be good enough. Yeah.
And yeah, like gosh, that night.
Exactly, yes. Whatever you did the first time, that was great. Do that again. But this time I want to hear that your chords change at the correct beat. Is that okay, Simon?
That is okay.
Simon, thank you so much for today. Woohoo! Firstly, thank you for waking up so early. Secondly, it's amazing that you had to think about all that at 5:30. I'm not even sure if I can do that at 5:30. And thirdly, you worked so hard. This is not our first call. You requested for a second call, and that is just really, really admirable. So I'm really proud of you, and I know that at this rate, you're only going to improve really fast. So can't wait to hear your recording, Simon.
Okay.
Awesome. Thank you. Gotta go because our half-hour mark is up, but I look forward to your recording and have a wonderful rest of the day, Simon.
Thank you so much, and God bless you.
Thank you very much, Simon. God bless you too. Bye! Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you learned a lot about worship keys. If you like this video, do hit the like button to help with the rankings of this video. Do also hit the subscribe and the notification bell buttons so that you get notified when I post a new video or when I go on YouTube Live. If you like my work, you can also support me on patreon.com/inspiredkeys for as low as $1 per video. By supporting me on Patreon, you also get early access to my videos and one-to-one worship keys lessons with me. Now, if you have any questions based on what happened in this video, or maybe you have a question that you've been wanting to ask, maybe you want to learn how to play worship keys in a similar style as in this video, then the Inspired Keys Academy is for you. With over 30 training courses on dozens of worship keys topics, ear training exercises, active members-only discussions, the chance to get feedback for your playing, and live member calls with me every single month, the Inspired Keys Academy is your opportunity to get the help and support that you need to make your keyboard playing goals a reality. The best part is that you can get started today for just $1. So just go on to inspiredkeys.com/join and use discount code $trial at checkout, and you can get full unlimited access to everything inside the Inspired Keys Academy for just $1 for 2 weeks. I'll see you inside the Academy.